For the best price, click the link in the description. Conair 1600W Compact Dryer, is it worth the hype? I thought so too until I got my hands on one and discovered some surprising flaws. But here's what surprised me when I started using this dryer, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether to buy it or not. As a beauty enthusiast, I'm always on the lookout for products that deliver results without breaking the bank. The Conair 1600W Compact Dryer seemed like a great option: compact design, powerful motor, and affordable price tag. But what I didn't expect was how much of a letdown it would be. First off, let's talk about the design. It's indeed compact, but that comes at the cost of usability. The dryer is so lightweight that it tips over easily, making it difficult to maneuver around my head while styling. And don't even get me started on the cord, it's way too short for my liking. Now you might be thinking, but what about the powerful motor? Well, let me tell you, it's not as strong as I thought it'd be. In fact, I had to use it multiple times to dry my hair completely, which is just frustrating. And don't even get me started on the heat settings, they're way too hot or too cold with no in-between. But there's something else that really got under my skin: the noise level. It's ridiculously loud, and I mean ridiculously loud. I've had to use earplugs while using it just to block out the constant whirring. And have you ever tried to style your hair while listening to music? Forget about it. I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the price? Yeah, that's a good point. This dryer is affordable, no doubt about it. But let me ask you this: would you rather save a few bucks and deal with subpar performance, or spend a bit more on a product that actually delivers? Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what if I just use it for quick touch-ups? Well, let me tell you, even for those purposes, the Conair 1600W Compact Dryer falls short. It's just not worth the hassle, trust me. So here's my verdict: unless you're on a super tight budget and don't mind compromising on performance, I'd say skip this dryer. There are better options out there that won't leave you feeling disappointed or frustrated. But before we wrap things up, let's get back to the price, because if you do decide to take the plunge, make sure you get it for the best deal possible. For the best price, click the link in the description. In conclusion, while the Conair 1600W Compact Dryer might look good on paper, its actual performance is a different story altogether. If you're still unsure about what to do next, let me ask you this: are you ready to spend your money on a product that might not deliver?